Hello friends, I'm Kinyonga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about cooking and fun games with kids. When it comes to cook, I do prepare traditional food without spices and use them when necessary. And today, I want to show you how to make liver with spinach and ugali. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel, comment, share, and turn on notification bell to get notified once I have a new video. Let's get into the kitchen and start cooking together. And our ingredients today are we have yellow and red capsicum, we have 2 tomatoes, we have 2 onions,
Mom,
we have dania and our liver. Let's get into the kitchen and start by cutting my ingredients.
Mom.
I'm done with preparing my ingredients and let's begin cooking. We are going to light on our gas. And wait for our pot to dry. We add cooking oil, add our liver, add salt. 1 teaspoon is enough. We stir a bit. And cover our pot for 3 minutes. And we must reduce heat. This is how our maini looks like. We are going to add tomatoes, our onions, and our capsicums. We stir our pot and cover for 5 minutes to wait for tomatoes and capsicums to cook. Our food is getting ready, and this is how it looks. We are going to add our last ingredient, which is dania. And stir our mixture again. And our liver is ready. Let's get to the next pot, where we are going to prepare spinach. We are going to start by lighting our gas again. We add cooking oil. And onions. We are going to cover our onions to cook until it turns golden brown. Our onion is ready. Now we are going to add spinach. And we have to reduce heat to a medium. And stir our spinach a bit. And of course we have to add salt, a half teaspoon. And cover our spinach for only 2 minutes. Our spinach is ready. It's now time to serve because there is no way you can cook and not eat. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, comment, and also share. And of course, we are serving our food with ugali. We made it earlier. And I'm done with cooking. This is how our food looks like. Please, please, please comment, subscribe, share, and turn on notification bell to get notified once I have a new video. Bye bye. Let's meet to the next video.
Mom.